I'm Lesley Canarian, Reader Conversations Librarian here at the Rogers Public Library, and I'm here to demonstrate how we're going to put together the January Take It, Make It craft, which is wine glass charms. What are wine glass charms, I can hear you asking? Well, if you had any parties over the holidays, like I did, and you were serving wine and people were talking and having a good time, and then they put down their wine glass and they're going, oh, I see 3 identical wine glasses here. Which one is mine? Well, that's what the wine glass charms are for. You just have your wine glass and you have a set of these nifty little charms, and they're each going to have a slightly different color on them. And so when your guests can just place the wine glass charm and they'll always know which one is theirs. There is no craft I am going to show you ever that is easier to do than this one. And it comes with everything you need for supplies. So you'll be getting a coil of memory wire like this, and a bag full of beads. However, you will need some tools for this. And the tools you will need are a pair of needle nose pliers. Sometimes your pliers will come with a wire cutting tool included, but in case they don't, you'll want something designed to cut wire, because otherwise you're going to ruin your good scissors. But you can get all of these tools at any craft store in the beading section. They're not expensive. I love my needle nose pliers. They're also really, really good for fixing your eyeglasses. They're the first tool I ever bought for myself. Anyway, when you get your coil of wire, you're going to want to trim it into 6 roughly equal pieces that are going to be about this size. The size of 1 coil. This is memory wire, as I said, so you can do things to it and it'll remember and return to its original shape. Nifty stuff. We'll take your needle nose plier, and at one end of this little hoop, you're gonna, well, that's okay, still be big enough. That's because I tried cutting it with scissors the first time I did this instead of using a proper wire cutter. Ruined the scissors, and as you can tell, it weakened the wire. And close up that into a nice big loop. Can you see that? And then you'll take the beads in your kit. You'll remember that this one had a blue star. I'll make this one with a pink star, but I'll give it the same blue edge beads so it looks like a nice coordinated kit. And you thread on your blue bead. Even me with my terrible eye-hand coordination can do this. You thread on your different colored bead. You thread on the other blue bead. Now, you're not all going to have the same patterns and colors of beads and wires as I do, because everyone's kit's going to be a little bit different, so I hope you like the one you got. Anyhow, you take the other end of the wire, take your needle nose pliers, bend it around in a hook, but you don't want to close that hook. You can even do it with your fingers because this is nice and soft. And there you've got your second wine glass charm. You can keep them together if you've got an old Altoid tin or other candy tin. And that's all there is to it.